Welcome back, everybody. Let's go ahead and fight everybody. So, starting off with him. It's going to be a really long journey going through this route. Pokemon trainers galore. Attack. Hocus Pocus. Let's just see Spiky. Don't have a proper fighting type, so that did a lot. Huh. You die. Oh, come on. Spirit. Hocus Pocus, I need you to level up. Come on, boy, I need you to level up. Level up, boy, level up. Come on, you can do it. Rock. Still got the case of the coughs. Got those problems. Really now? Really? Rock. So you're just gonna use Leer then? That's cool. Those spirit. Hocus Pocus. Yeah! Level up. Woo! You're decent. Thanks. Miner should be able to give me a lot of experience. We're gonna see Bill. Oh, better fight him first. Oh boy. Pokemon Onyx. This should be fun. Let's just use Plant Beast. I don't trust my Nidoran. Because he has a lot of defense. What? Critical hit with 6 HP. What is this? What? What? Wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait. What? Level 12. Whoops. I was running. Dad took me to a great party on SSAN at Vermilion City. Good for you, little kid. Awesome. Mr. Dan, you slowpoke. Go my psychic type. You don't know bite yet. Send up, birdie. Why are we gonna use that against my Abra? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay, that's cool. Oh my goodness. That was just pitiful. Oh my goodness, Birdie, that was pathetic. I'm sorry, but that was just pathetic. I'm not using that mana right now because it's poison. This guy has confusion. So, oh, you lowered my attack. You're cool. But you think you're so special. Oh my goodness. There we go. There we go. You leveled up. Mr. Dan, I'm not mad. Should be. You mad, bro? Hi, my boyfriend is cool. Because I want to know that. Why would you tell me that? I couldn't care less about your boyfriend. I'm just the type to do. Huh. Fail. Okay, that's cool. Let's go ahead and be gay. You're awesome. Too bad you were dead. You are dead. Dead, 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 dead. Freaking dead. 96. That's it. Is that better? I think it was a female. Yep. What's this say? Same thing. What wants to say? Is Magneto physical? Oh my goodness, stop growling at me. 6. Yeah, you're not gonna die. Especially since you're the defensive type. And you grabbed me twice. Oh, really now? Magnitude 7. That's right. Get out of town. Get out of town. You didn't level up. That's just grand. Let's just run back. Heal. Whee! I love the speed up feature. Right. Okay, let's go ahead and head on back. Whee! Oh, that's so fun. I want to see a Pokemon X collection at the Cape. No, you're not. You're not even moving. Knob. Your name is Knob? I am sorry. Why is your name Knob? Oh no. What? What? That? What? Let that dude no damage. Ha ha! You're poisoned, little bitch. That's right. That's right. Get at me. Oh. And you are gone. Get out. Oh wow, that was a lot of experience. Spiky. Geodude. Let's switch back to Hocus Pocus. So, if I'm not mistaken, you have 3 Geodudes and a shop. Pretty sure. Alright, how much more experience do you need? Experience 28. Okay. Yeah, let's just keep doing this. Spiky! Oh, you didn't get poisoned. Why do you use defense curl when you know you're gonna die the next turn, no matter what? People confuse me. Pokemon confuse me. Geodude. Oh crap! Dang it! Dang it! I didn't switch. And I think he could have leveled up on this battle. Level up. Level up. I think I just said level up. I'm sorry for those grammar Nazis out there. Leveled up. I could have leveled up on this battle. I'm just not touching. Okay, you leveled up. That's awesome. Ah! Poison Sting! Oh my god! Finally a poison move. Yay, Poison Sting. Chop. Oh no, I'm not gonna have enough time to finish off the battle. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in the next part. Thanks for watching when we finish off this battle.